Tenerife is the most popular of the Canary Islands due to its unique climate, stunning beaches, and vibrant nightlife. It is also the largest of the islands and has the most to offer in terms of attractions and activities. The island is home to numerous resorts and has a wide range of accommodation options, making it the ideal destination for a relaxing holiday or an exciting adventure. There are also plenty of cultural attractions and places to explore, such as the beautiful Teide National Park and the charming towns of Garachico and La Laguna. Gran Canaria is the second most popular of the Canary Islands and is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and diverse landscapes. It is also home to some of the best nightlife in the region, with plenty of clubs and bars to explore. Other popular attractions include the picturesque resort of Maspalomas, the capital city of Las Palmas, and the stunning Roque Nublo rock formation. There is also a range of activities and excursions to enjoy, such as sailing, windsurfing, and diving. Lanzarote is the third most popular of the Canary Islands and is renowned for its volcanic landscapes, beautiful beaches, and year-round sunshine. Its main attractions include the Timanfaya National Park, the Llamios del Agua Caves, and the Mirador del Rio viewpoint. There are also plenty of activities to enjoy, such as hiking, sailing, windsurfing, and snorkeling. The island is also home to a number of luxury resorts and is becoming increasingly popular with tourists looking for a peaceful and relaxing holiday. For some awesome offers to the Canary Islands and many other places around the world, see the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.